samahan ninyo ako for a day in the life as an admin and compliance officer. So, ang first task natin for today is pag-encode ng details ni members sa system natin. So, pagkabigay ni recruitment specialist, i-review natin kung na-fill up ba lahat ng necessary details, including yung mga requirements na sinabit. After nun, i-encode na natin sa system. Next task natin is mag-a-apply na tayo ng ATM and PVC ID ng members natin. Since dito sa Tipot, ina-ensure natin na lahat ng members natin ay may kanya-kanyang PVC IDs at ATM cards. Regarding sa reporting ng ATM status natin, ilan na yung na-encode natin, saka sa mga ibang compliance natin. For the admin performance, for a total of 91.98% of active members under Pulilan and May Kawayan were receiving their payouts through ATM and GCash. While for Luzon, 91.32% of active members are receiving their payouts through ATM and GCash. For records naman po, all members under Luzon are already encoded on fees, resulting to 0 manual members. So, dito tayo ngayon sa Treasury Office para kuhanin yung mga available dito. Tara! That concludes my agenda for today. Salamat ka, miyembro, sa kasama sa akin, and I'll see you around.